Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2010 Toyota RAV4. Now this is a 5-passenger SUV in gray, driving on 18-inch wheels, and some of the great exterior features on this RAV4 includes fog lights, a hood deflector, and turn signals on the side mirrors. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to take a look inside the driver's side first. Now in the door you have your power windows and locks with some storage on the bottom. Inside, this RAV4 comes equipped with black fabric seating, and right next to the door you do have your hands-free calling. If you take a look at the top here, you also have a power moonroof. Starting with the steering wheel features, you have your cruise control on the right side. You also have this display button which allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. You can also see this RAV4 has 175,187 kilometers on it. Taking a look at our little display here, right now we are on the AM option. You do have your standard AM and FM. You also have choices for CD and auxiliary. Next to the little display, you have your differential lock. Now underneath is your climate control. It is a single zone. You have these little sturdy buttons here. You'll also find your AC and the temperature dial on the right. On the very bottom, you have your 2 cup holders. You'll find your 12-volt outlet, and all the way in the back here, you'll find your adjustable side mirrors along with your auxiliary port. Taking a quick look inside the back, you have a little cup holder in the door. We are continuing with the black fabric seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little nuts for some extra storage. And the rear seats do fold down. There's a little handle here. If we pull that forward, the seats will fold, giving you access to your cargo. Taking a last look at our Toyota RAV4, once again, some of those great interior features includes your hands-free calling, cruise control, power windows, and a powered moonroof. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.